I got this question a while back and I just remembered it. My neon won't start, but the starter and the battery's good. Okay, I'm thinking, check your grounds. But let's just say an example. Say, you go in your neon. Your odometer does come on. This one don't come on because, there ain't no power hooked up to it, but that comes on. Go to turn your key. Nothing. Dash don't light up. You got the dinging, but nothing else comes on. None of the lights that normally do. Your radio's not working. It don't come on. But your outlets works. This thing, that works. You blow them, but your radio don't come on. Nothing. Well, this is such a simple fix. I kind of laughed when I thought of it. Just pretend there's an engine and everything in here. Go right here and look right here. 30 amp starter. Check this fuse. See, this fuse is good. But if this bad boy's blown, your car ain't starting. And all those symptoms I just told you are going to happen. But as soon as you replace that starter fuse, if it's blown, guess what you get? Your instrument cluster works, your radio works, your fuel pump actually works, because this fuse right here, even if all your relays and everything else is good, this fuse right here actually needs to have power circuit going through it. So you could put a jump wire if you wanted to right there, and then everything would work temporarily till you could get this fuse. But also at the same time, if this fuse is blown, your fuel pump won't kick on. You won't get no fuel pressure. And everything else I just stated. All because this one fuse, 30 amp starter fuse, is blown. That keeps all that from working. So next time you have an issue with your neon won't start, check your starter fuse, 30 amp. Not for sure if it's the same in 05 models or any, 2005, but I believe it is. Check that fuse right there. And just to let you know a trick, if you can, get some spares. Have you a spare 30 here, and then have you a spare 40 here. That way, if one of your 40s or your 30s blow, boom, fix it. Then you can get around and get you another spare. All right, thank you all for watching. I hope that helps.